Oh well, just done something very silly and flown my drone into a bush. Morning. We're off to the Falls of Dochart. Brave, aren't they, down there?
Yeah, that wall.
Just done something very silly and flown my drone into a bush on the middle island. Chance of getting that back? I don't quite know, but I'm gonna have to have a go. Silly, silly. I can see it. I'll go and get the grabber arm. What a plonker, Rodney. I've got to have a go at getting it back, haven't I? Oh, it looks like there's a walkway through there. Just whether I'm going to be able to get right to the very end. We shall see, eh? He's right there. Morning.
Good morning.
Happy New Year to you. It's very beautiful here, isn't it? Oh, I may be able to get down here. There is a path over the wall, so I'll go and have a look. There was a step down just there. I may be lucky here. I may be lucky here. Right, it's got to be around here somewhere. Wow. Where is he? There he is. Let's not knock him. He's not flying. You lucky bugger. It's nice from here. The tree looks lovely that way as well. In fact, it looks better that way, but there's no real light on it. How lucky am I? There he is. Still alive. Oh, wow. We'll try that one again. still on the island, but it looks like this would have fed the water wheel at some point as a little side channel before the main falls. I'm so lucky there was access. So lucky. Let's get back over. Getting too old for jumping over walls and chasing drones. Man, let's have a look at this side whilst we're here. Okay. Wow. It's just such a force of water. They really are impressive. Split around that big island in the middle. And then all funneling out around this centre island here. A burial island and Stone Age forts. That's got to be worth a look. Enter at own risk, but it's locked. Keys available from the mill, so you can go down. I love Scotland. Understand the risk and make a choice. It's up to you. I've not tried to get in, no, because he doesn't want to come. But yeah, that must be the feed there, the top feed.
Still there?
Maybe. But yeah, I had to come along this bit here, and he was just stuck right out there.
Pardon?
The drone, he was just stuck right out there. There's the bottom chute. No, it's all...
Of the healing stones.
Ah, right. There's loads of stone circles around here. I was looking yesterday at the Kenmore Visitor Centre, yeah.
Just have a look at our shop.
Yeah.
I don't think we can get in.
Are these loos locked up as well? Oh well, this isn't bad. Hello, are you in? Is it nice, that lock? Is it cold? Do you think there's enough stones here? She's in now. Now her mate's here chucking stuff.
Got a big stick.
Oh, she got it.
Just brace yourself and roll back to the
Stop what?
We're in Moffat. Moffat. I don't know how to pronounce it. You should have asked him how to pronounce it. And you've just been in the
singing pottery. Well, it's
Pottery Arts and Craft Gallery.
And he's called the Singing Potter.
And he gave you a CD, didn't he?
He gave me a CD and signed it and sung me a song, and he's got a piano in his pottery shop, and that's his flat as well. His dog's up there, and his wife, I think, does the ceramics.
I did say to Shell, take the camera in.
No.
It's a
I
lovely...
don't think he would have wanted to be a film.
There we go. That's a very pretty building, isn't it?
It's gorgeous.
Is it a hotel?
I don't know, is it just somebody's house?
Moffat House.
Somebody's house. There you go, have a look. No, it's a hotel. Must be a restaurant.
It's a restaurant, yeah. Oh, it's a hotel as well. It's a pretty little town, isn't it? You can stop over here on the main street, on the main car park, and you can spend the night here. We're not going to spend the night here because it may just be a little bit too noisy, but I don't think they mind. There's public loos just behind the town hall here. It's the town hall, yeah. So the old town hall's here. With its big Christmas tree. There's a few hotels. It's a proper nice little town, isn't it?
Really nice, yeah.
Balmoral Hotel. The big old Christmas tree in front of Town Hall. Oh, it was baths originally. The Bonington Hotel. Crikey. It must be a bit of a place to come, really. Chips smell good.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It is, it's a really nice little town.
Made ice cream.
But yeah, there's another park up the way a bit on Park for Night, so we're gonna head that way, aren't we?
Yeah.
Another hotel, Star Hotel, over there.
It's very, very pretty. The buildings are very quaint, aren't they?
Yeah, we'll walk up the other side of the road, yeah. This is on the Clyde tourist route, is it? The Clyde Valley, or we're in Dumfries and Galloway now, actually, aren't we? So
This is lovely.
we've made it.
Let's get off the road.
We left Loch Lomond and made it down to Dumfries and Galloway. And Max didn't want to come out, so he's just sat just over there in Wolfie with Freya and locked himself in. That little bit of independence in not too busy places. But yeah, it's a really pretty little town, isn't it? It's a shame they've not all got the little, because they've all got Christmas trees on. I bet it looked lovely with all the Christmas trees, like Churchtown. It always looks pretty at Christmas, doesn't it? When they all have the Christmas trees on the...
Oh, yeah, down the little...
Down the, with the little, yeah.
Yeah. The
Regional.
lantern.
Yeah, it's really pretty. I love the lights around the fountain here outside of this one. There he is, he's just opened the van. He's got his little light switched on. Freya's sat in the back with him. You can definitely feel the temperature difference, can't you? Oh, we can definitely tell we've come down south a bit more. Because we've got extra light, haven't we? We had daylight till...
4 o'clock.
Yeah, 4 o'clock, 4:30.
Towards A701, then turn left onto A701. Take the next left onto A701.
Can't start somehow. how I wrap this all up and what we do with the last video. But we've got about, what, 20 miles, 25 miles to the border, maybe 30. And then it's just the M6, the lovely M6 back down.
Can I get some more diesel?
We don't need any more diesel, we filled up yesterday. Hopefully we'll get home on this now. Hopefully. It's been a lovely holiday, hasn't it?
Amazing.
Scotland, not let us down at all, has it?
Absolutely fabulous.
What did you think of
In a
Scotland?
quarter of a mile, and meeting interchange, take the first exit onto the A74, then slip road to Carlisle.
Maximus likes the sat nav on quite so much. Maximus, what was your favourite thing? Was it sledding? Or was it sledding? Oh well, there you go, sledding. He's too busy finding out what the sheep's names are. Anyway, thanks very much for watching along if you've watched. And if you,
Our next adventure.
yeah, if you're new around here, give us a thumbs
In a
up.
quarter of a mile, merge onto
Subscribe,
A74.
help our little channel out.
Then
We have used our Roma battery all the way through this trip and it's not let us down once. We've only charged as we drove. We do drive for an hour or two a day probably, don't we? That's just because Maximus likes to drive. So if you are in the market for a battery and you are thinking of upgrading to lithium, check Roma out with our link in the description below. That's a way to help our little channel grow. It is an affiliate link, but we can highly recommend their products.
continue for 122 miles.
We have had it in since the beginning and it's powered our journey so far without a problem. I did get the Fogstar charger if you've watched the build before. I got the Fogstar charger, but that we haven't needed to plug in. We've been off grid the whole time. We've just stopped at those couple of places to do services, haven't we, and empty chemicals and fill water up.
What's on the sheep?
Other than that, we've been off grid. So yeah, if you're looking for a new battery and you are in the market for lithium, check Roma out with our link, and that will be much appreciated. Right, if we find anything along the way and we stop, then we'll catch up with you. If not, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Take care, everyone. Oh, leave a comment, let us know what was your favourite bit of our trip and where you'd like to go. Take care, all the best.